tonight's meal is chicken souvlaki, like a tzatziki type sauce that I made homemade. It has a lot of great things like feta, parmesan, Mediterranean flavors, cream cheese, dill pickle juice. I like to use the dill pickle juice instead of dill so it's not so strong. I made a Mediterranean rice. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it has like a lot of seasonings and spices in it. And I'm just sauteing my chicken so that I can cut it up and put it in a wrap. And I have some romaine. So I'm doing like a chicken souvlaki tzatziki slash wrap for the girls, Mediterranean wraps for myself and the girls. And I'm going to continue cooking the chicken. Look at that chicken. Bring this to be flipped over. I'm going to show you how I plate them. A little sauce on the bottom. Rice. I'm going to cut up some of this chicken. More sauce. And they wrap it how they like, and that is dinner. And that is chicken souvlaki wraps.